Hi, I'm Rebecca and welcome to the Home Solutions channel. Today, we're going to go over 3 questions to answer for yourself to know whether to start with a window or a siding replacement. By the end, you'll be equipped with the right knowledge to know what project is right for you to start first and can take the best next steps towards finding the right products and company for you. Let's get started. So, what project should you start first? Windows or siding? Well, here are 3 questions to ask yourself when you're outlining your wants, goals, and needs for your multi-project exterior renovation. First, where's the greatest need in your home? Next, where will you see the greatest return on investment if there's no urgency? And lastly, what is your budget and where are you most comfortable? Let's explain each of these questions further so you can best understand how they play into your renovations and know which project you should start with. Number 1, where is the greatest need in your home? What we mean by this is if there's any damage to your exterior or an area that is causing you problems, this should be the first project you'll most likely want to start with. If any part of your home's exterior is damaged or causing you functionality problems, they will only get worse the longer they go unaddressed. A small problem now in one area of your home can turn into multiple issues across your home in the future. This is why you should prioritize a remodeling project that will fix the problem if you have any. Number 2, where will you see the greatest return on investment if there's no urgency? Maybe you haven't really noticed any problems with your windows, but you know they're very old. Over time, these windows have become worn and the window glass is not protecting your home as well as it should. Replacing your old windows first will show the greatest and quickest ROI in your home by improving its energy efficiency and insulating your home. On the siding side, maybe your old siding is made of a non-desirable material for your climate. Replacing the siding with something more durable and energy efficient will also improve the efficiency of your home, and you'll see it in your energy costs. If no one area of your home has noticeable issues that need to be addressed first, then you'll want to consider what project will provide you with the greatest ROI the fastest. Number 3, what is your budget and where are you most comfortable? A siding replacement is more expensive than a window replacement. A door replacement is less expensive than if you were to replace 20 windows in your home. By considering your budget, you will have clarity on what project or projects you are comfortable with starting now. Maybe you want to start small with a door replacement and plan to replace your windows the following year. Or maybe you're in a place where you're ready to renovate your entire exterior all at once. A home remodeling project is a large investment, especially if you plan on renovating multiple areas of your home. So, you want to make sure you choose the best project for you to start now, whether it's the smallest or the largest, to make you feel most comfortable. So, does it really matter which project you start with? Not really. It all depends on your goals for your home and what you're comfortable with. Once you've gotten a better idea of what project you want to start with, you'll want to find the right company that will provide you with a high-quality outcome with every single project. Well, to help you out with that, we've linked a video above that outlines how to find the right home remodeling contractor for you. Thank you so much for stopping by the Home Solutions channel, where we want you to have the look you love coming home to.